Nothing but cruising into space. Now, we gotta go get that Professor Ricka. Now, where's my robot pal? There you are. Where were you? Where are you going? Now, let's see. The blue spot is where Mr. Ricka is there. Let's go! Alright, let's go to light speed! Alright, nothing but fooling around now! You know, it'll take a long time for me to get to Mr. Ricka lair. I better teleport there. Alright, here I go. What was that about? This is probably where Mr. Ricka is. I'm coming for you. Better lock and load. Good. We're ready! Oh, Mr. Ricka. I know you're here somewhere. Oh, what's my tracker saying? Oh, no. I'll track and shoot everywhere for Mr. Ricka. I found him! Mr. Ricka! So, Space Doc is looking for me, huh? Well, he won't find me here because I'm Mr. Ricka. Now, let's see what we got. Who turned out the alarm? Who turned it out? Was it you? Hey, what happened here? What's going on? What's going on here? Mr. Ricka. We have an alarm. Alright, Mr. Kiki Waka. What happens now? Who did that? That doesn't. We're going into war now. Alright, I gotta see if Mr. Ricka is here. Oh, Mr. Ricka. I think I'm sensing Mr. Ricka is here. No. Oh wait, no, it's just acting up. So this. I can't find Mr. Ricka. Well, I better teleport to his spaceship that I should have done in the first place. There it is. I'm in Mr. Ricka's lair. I better go find him! Mr. Ricka! Mr. Ricka. Space Dog. I've come to retrieve your gas! Yes. Oh yeah? Well, you're gonna have to fight me first. So be it! Ah! It's rabbit season! It's duck season! Rabbit season! Duck season! Take that! No! You take this! Go not! I killed Mr. Ricka Racka Rooka Racka! Yeah! I finally killed Mr. Ricka Racka Rooka Racka! Alright, now I got beam home. Whoa! Oh, this isn't home. I better beam home again. Ah, home at last. Now time for me to drive. Need to drive home.